Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. As I had already discussed regarding the books, I just want to tell you that there are various books in market. But let me tell you guys, everybody has got the same book in everybody's hand. So whatever they prepare the examination paper, that will be based on the current events as well as what exactly which is happening all around, like other exams. SSC Staff Selection Commission as well as various exams are conducting, like Air Force exams. By seeing those, they start preparing the exact question paper. So please remember, don't take the books granted which have been printed by Arihant or other publishers. So I request you guys to go through whatever the topics have been given, have a look in brief. If I say like SSR and Artificer Apprentice, the standard of examination will be same, but the cutoff level they may vary in choosing the Artificer Apprentice branch or SSR branch. The cutoff for Artificer Apprentice will be more as compared to the SSR. So let us start what exactly the syllabus we have. We must understand what exactly the GK is. There are two things. One is static GK, which is constant, there will be no change in GK. Another is current affairs, where you will find fluctuations as well as where you will find the changes. The amendments are done because of the change in any kind of political leaders or any kind of acts. So as you can see here, if we say boundary lines, so whatever the topics I have given in it, so the maximum 95% other than current affairs, it has been covered in my material. If you want, you can take, this is my number 766730 You can call me, the material will be given. Initially, we should remember boundary lines, whatever the demarcation lines between the nations, you have to remember. You may be asked all around India. If I say other names of political sports person, this is what exactly we knew, that everybody has got the different name. They are known as sobriquets of the person. So for the political leaders, like we have Lal Bal Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. The same manner we have here the sports person as well. We call Kohli as a Chiku and Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar, like that. So and military operations which are very important, what exactly at present military operations have done, military, among Operation Sukoon, Operation Vijay. So you must know what exactly the operations are. So all these topics have been covered with pictorial explanation. Have a look in playlist of GK as well as SSR. So we have the national parks, whatever the national parks we have in India, that is to be remembered. And the geographical discoveries, whoever has done, like South Pole discovery, North Pole, as well as different who scaled the mountain, everything. These are the discoveries you have to mention and remember. And we have the awards as well as mountains and their locations, road construction and national highways. We must remember what exactly the golden pyramid is and what exactly the distance between, which is the lengthiest distance, national highway 2 1. You have to remember each and everything, first male and female, who has taken over, who been to the space, everything you have to remember, first men and women. If I say players of India and other names, their person and their other names, and we should remember Vishwanathan Anand, Kidambi Srikanth. They are all players. You must remember from which sports they are. And the major mountain peaks you have to remember. And the islands and their location. If I say Mount Vesuvius and Barren Island, you have to remember each and everything. If I say deserts and their location, you have to remember where exactly the deserts of Thar as well as Sahara, and we have Atacama deserts. These are the locations you must remember. Indian national flag, national symbol, national emblem, national animal, everything you must remember regarding their scientific name as well. Everything it has been given in my material. Whatever the content I am providing, it has been taken from my material only, because this material has been compiled from various books, so you better purchase the material. Authors as well as writers, we have the ancient as well as medieval as well as modern authors. You have to remember them. So next we have the solar system. This is one good topic from which you will get one question. So don't underestimate the solar system. You have maximum to 60 to 70 questions regarding this. You can directly go through those questions. And the sobriquets of the person as well as place, you have to remember the respective person as well as death place of their Rajghat, Vijay Ghat. So and we knew the ashram of Puducherry. We have one ashram in Puducherry. So you should remember each and everything. Nuclear stations, we should remember Tharapur, Vikram Sarabhai Space Centers. These are the nuclear power stations, Sriharikota, where exactly it is located. And states, we have recently it has been formed. Now Jammu and Kashmir has become the union territory instead of state. So you should remember each and everything. The total number of states we have and union territories we have to remember. Capital cities and their respective currencies you should remember of respective nations. So these are the few things you should remember. And recently China's currency has been changed to renminbi from yuan. Now we have the slogans and the respective persons with their slogans, and important Indian rivers as well as the dams which were constructed on their river. You should remember all over the world and as well as India as well. And we knew that mountain ranges, what exactly the mountain ranges we have, and the organization and motto has to be remembered. If I say paintings as well as locations, you have to remember. Tribes and locations you have to remember, as well as Vedic names of rivers. This is one thing emerging topic you have to remember, because these questions are being asked in recent examinations. There is nothing like huge, it's only little. So please remember paintings like we have Madhubani paintings, Kalamkar. These are all different paintings that has been discussed in my. You have a look in playlist, you will find everything. And the tribes and locations, it's something very important, as well as geographical indication tags. So like we have Alfonso mango in Maharashtra, as well as Fini in Goa, which is a drink of kaju. So these kind of, as well as classical dances as well as folk dances, what we have. And the terminology of respective game, every game has got some terminology, please remember that. And the color revolution and their father, as well as we have the United Nations organizations related few questions we may be asked. And the coastal lines as well as states where exactly it's located. Abbreviations you may be asked. If I say now we have religious and holy books on temples, and the temples of India, what exactly we have, and the Navy adventures recently, like Navika Sagar Parikrama, circum-solo navigations, that is Sagar Parikrama 1 and 2, and wars whatever have been occurred during the past time, and dynasty as well as the founder of their dynasty, and the religion related Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, whatever we have, and the movement and the leaders, everything it has been given dear. You better take the material, everything it is mentioned. That is the reason I am putting you in the pen. So please go through this. And maiden travelers who had visited India from other nations, and the king and constructions of their, like Gol Gumbaj, Bijapur, it is located by Adil Shahi. Important dates you must remember, you may be asked. You have to remember dates as well as the themes of the respective International Yoga Day we have the theme of that also. Earth Day we have the theme. So likewise, if we say from polity, Rajya Sabha, Prime Minister, President related questions, any kind of questions from relevant topics, Panchayat Raj system as well as Supreme Court and Governor. These are the few things, and current affairs you have to be remembered. And if I say current affairs in the case of Chandrayaan mission, and we have the mission, what exactly the name of the mission, which will the human will be sent by the India. So chief ministers as well as governors, respective states and union territories, you have to remember, and the capital which has recently changed, you should remember. These kind of current questions will be asked in exams. Don't underestimate them. At present, who has taken over as like UPSC chairman as well as Reserve Bank of India? Everything it has been given. Please have a look in playlist. Current appointments as well as COVID-19 related few questions you may be asked, like RT-PCR. What exactly the abbreviation? First, in recent, like it has been set up various zoos and everything that has been discussed in current affairs playlist. Have a look in it. It will be one of the useful thing. And venue and sports we have, and appointment and person we have, trophies and winner we have, and parliament and other nations, as well as steel plants and locations, and study related to science concerning few questions at present. If I say chemistry concerning what exactly the material, few questions like everyday science, that is material and which is made of, as well as chemical formulas and explosives we have, and acid and occurrence, and related to potential of hydrogen, that is pH values, and ore and element, and alloy and composition, what exactly, and vitamins as well as human disease related few biology questions you may be asked, and metal and non-metals related few questions will be asked, and organic chemistry related also you may be asked. So these are the important questions from chemistry. If I say from physics, this is every topic has got their own importance, like light, heat, magnetism, unit and measurement, dimensional formula, as well as this dimensional formula you may be having one question that is important. Physical quantities and motion, instrument and measurement of respective instrument, and who is the founder of the instrument, and you must remember the matter as well as work, power, energy related questions, atom and nuclear related, kinematics and sound. This is what exactly you will be asked questions. So these are the different topics you will be asked. So please have a look. If I say from the mathematics, this is what exactly you have to gain the score. You may be asked the questions from probability, permutation and combination, and logarithms you be asked, as well as quadratic equations we have, and coordinating geometry. And we have the matrices, limitations, differentiations, integrations. This is one thing you have to remember. From each and every chapter you may be asked one or two, maximum is two questions. So simplification and trigonometry related questions will be asked, and heights and distances concerning, and circles. So here the integration and differentiation, these are the chapters where you will get two questions minimum. So please have a look whatever has been given, and rest all from the reasoning questions you may be asked, like missing numbers as well as missing part of that figure, or odd one out you have to identify. If you are bad enough or lucky enough, you may be asked from blood relation also. So reasoning topics are, these are the important topics what you may be asked in examination of artificial apprentice and SSR. Please have a look whatever has been given in this. If you want this screenshot, you can directly take from the Telegram. You can join the Telegram and you take the screenshot of it and have it for your future reference. Thank you guys. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any kind of queries regarding this material, you can ask me, you can call me, I'll give you by post, so you can take the material. So thank you guys. I did my best. I want you guys to go through this.